Hey everyone, having trouble with your car starting or notice it's running rough? It could be a faulty camshaft position sensor. But where exactly is it located? Today, I'm giving you a super quick guide to find it. First, pop the hood. On most modern engines, especially in line 4 cylinders, you'll find the camshaft sensor right on the top of the engine, near the valve cover. It's usually held in place by a single bolt and has an electrical connector attached to it. Look for a small, black plastic sensor protruding from the engine head. For V6 or V8 engines, you might have 2 of them, one for each cylinder bank. They'll be in a similar position on top of the valve covers, towards the front or back of the engine. It's a simple fix that can save you a trip to the mechanic. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick car tips. See you next time.